Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Python Gurukul. Today we'll be talking about GitHub Copilot. If you have not heard the term, I will take the pleasure to introduce yourself. What all we will be covering today, so we'll talk about setup, installation, licensing, and then important features. And at the end, we'll do the live demo. So lots of things to talk about. Before proceeding further, let's see what GitHub itself say about the Copilot. It says the world's most widely adopted AI developer tool. That's very interesting. And it brings the happiness to developer, increase productivity, and accelerate software development. These are really catchy words. Who does not want these things in their project or in their career? So lots of important things to talk about. First thing first. So let's start with the introduction, what it is. So as the name says, Copilot. So it is a Copilot. It is a coding assistant tool. What it does, the thing which developer does not like to do, like giving the good comments, nicely written documentation. Always as a developer, we try to do the last thing. But Copilot is going to help us all the steps and giving us time to focus the important thing whatever we have in our hand like logic, what it does, how it does really. So wherever we are interacting with the Copilot, maybe the inline chat, maybe the UI code itself, but from anywhere, it is just trying to collect the context and passing back to the Copilot proxy. It takes the input, try to filter, hide the data which OpenAI should not see, and then send the query to the OpenAI. As of now, it is using ChatGPT 4.0, but maybe it could change in the future. Once it gets the data back, again it try to do the filtering, try to see that which could be close to our request, and then return back the data. So once we have logged in, then go to the extension or marketplace and look for word Copilot. As soon as we type the Copilot word, we'll see that GitHub Copilot as well as GitHub Copilot Chat will appear here. And by just installing the Copilot Chat will be also installed and ready to use. GitHub.com itself, by just going to this link, we'll be able to subscribe to the 30 days free licenses, and then we'll get this particular UI and we can start talking to the Copilot. Maybe you have noticed this particular icon. So this icon is the icon of Copilot. So now we need to get familiarize ourselves with this icon where all we will see this one. So one we will see in the VS Code in the search bar, next to the search bar, and that's here. The another one will be in taskbar in the corner, and it is just saying that I'm here to help. Few more things related to this, maybe this is sparkle we need to learn about. So if you see the sparkle means this is the something Copilot is suggesting. By just clicking on that, we can take a look at it. First time at this logo, it looks like a ghost, so I think that's why they choose this word ghost text. So we'll see what it is. And as we said that all the things which we don't like to do, like explaining the code, we think that, oh, it is really easy, no need to explain anything. Write the unit test case, not required. Increase readability, no, anyone can read and understand. These things we always ignore, but down the line we have seen that how valuable these things are. So we'll see today how Copilot is going to help us out with all this. There's a few commands available for us, and by just typing the slash and typing these very handy commands, and then help is in our reach. Again, this is at the using that whatever we talk about in the VS Code, those things are available in the UI, GitHub.com UI too. And now let's change the gear and talk about live demo. So now we have the VS Code up, a- and we want to really take a closer look at this particular line. It is just saying that yes, VS Code is there already. I'm logged in, and another Copilot is ready for us to help. So what we'll do, we will go to the file and we'll create the new file. And while creating, we'll say that use the Python file. And now we see that help is on our finger step. Say, I have to write variable, say, and it gave me the sample list of the fruits. And what we want to do, so we can see that now it is trying to predict that yes, I got the list, and now I'll try to print the list, and now maybe I want to do the print first of the list, maybe second, maybe so now it is trying to predict what is my next move. So let's tweak this one. I'm going to say that def compare compare, and then it is showing that maybe I'm trying to compare two number. Compare link list. So now it gave me the program, and this is the text, the one you see, gray text. Those are the ghost text. So either we can accept or we can just ignore. So for this demo purpose, I'll accept. So now we have the code. What next? It is showing how I can call the particular defined function. Let's say I'm not interested in that. Maybe I'm interested in something like testing that. So I'll say test, test, suppose compare linked list. And I got my test cases written so nicely. Let's say we are saying what's going on here. We have no idea. And so we can see that it is just doing the all documentation thing. What we and yeah. So this is all I wanted the Copilot to help with me define the variable, define the function itself, do the test case, unit test case for the function, and help me with the documentation. We have some error here. What we can do? So we'll just highlight, select that. We got the sparkle, and we'll say that fix using the Copilot. So it will just give me some suggestion. Oh, yeah, maybe it is maybe taking it out, or maybe comment, make it comment. So I'll say that yeah, I like that your suggestion, and it has been taken care. So write a Python program to get CPU and memory state. So now I gave little bit context, and we can see that a very nicely written program is available here. This program is available. Also, it said that maybe it is using one of the library. This module is not there. If it is not there, by just installing the module, we will be able to get that. So it looks very easy. But what the power is behind the context? We can say that for the context, it can use maybe VS Code or maybe workspace. So that way it will start looking into the context and then return the result. So that's all I had for you today. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.